In front of me is MEDIATEK KT107, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on this device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and scroll a bit lower. Here you will notice security, just mark it, and now under device administration you will find unknown sources. So if you'd like to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, just mark this switcher and then confirm that you are aware of all the risks connected with this approval, and from now on you will be able to install via those apps. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.